A motivation kit that doesn't rely on hype. If you're tired of motivation that lasts 5 minutes and disappears by tomorrow, this video is for you. Hype can feel good in the moment, but it doesn't help you stay consistent. If you've been trying to start an online business and keep losing momentum, you don't need more excitement. You need something steady. In this video, we talk about what real motivation actually looks like. It's not about forcing yourself to feel inspired or pushing harder when you're exhausted. It's about building support systems that help you keep going even on the days you don't feel like doing anything at all. This message is especially helpful for online business beginners who start strong but struggle to follow through long term. You'll hear why temporary inspiration fades and how practical mindset training can help you show up consistently without relying on willpower alone. Motivation that lasts is built through small, repeatable habits, not emotional highs. The Bulletproof Motivation Digital Kit is a practical digital product designed to help you build that kind of motivation. Through simple exercises and mindset guidance, it supports consistency and follow through, making it especially useful if you're using resale rights digital kits to build your business without starting from scratch.